Yeah, I'd stand up in the middle of the highway and start dancing.
Yeah, you would. That's why you should get your driver's lesson.
I'd stand up while driving.
Yeah, you're just gonna be like, and then if you like hit a bump, then
Flies through the window. Wow! That was not the glass. Hopefully.
no, it was.
Dad, don't close your four, Dad. Don't close your four. Don't close your four, Dad.
4.
Ah! Yeah. It's full. I'll push.
Can I get one without?
Yeah, you can get one without ice cream. Small, Dad. Mind if I record this? Yeah. Oh, you're getting fruit punch. I'm gonna put you guys there. Wow, it's so cute.
The Sour Patch Kid thing is so cute.
I am a surgeon.
What if I just added more dirt to mine?
I don't think I would eat.
What if I added ice cream? What would you put like dent in it? Mine?
Perfect, Dad. Look at it. Mario bread.
Good job, team.
What?
Good job, team. And can I get 2 packs of Next Smooth king size? Oh, yeah. Heck, yeah.
Can I get
I
one?
actually didn't see another one there.
Can we get?
You can have the Mars, Snickers,
Oh, okay.
Kit Kat, Aero.
Ooh, arrows.
Do you guys like stickers?
Yeah.
Mars.
Of course. Ooh, look at how much you have.
Why is there so much?
I don't know.
Because I gave you some.
Time to put them on my wall, Dad.
Load it up.
Or my dresser.
Next Smooth king size. 2
Here,
packs.
Dad. Here. Have this. You are my baby girl. Want more? I have a huge bump.
Oh, you guys don't need more, do you?
There you go.
There you go.
Oh.
You got those ones. So
Have a
much.
good day.
See ya.
Get more? Bye.
Can I say thank you?
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my! Holy stickers!
Sticker army? Yep, I will be able to. Oh. I'm not even on your tablet. Yeah.
I don't want to get another pack. My iPad has enough packs.
What even happened? How did
Oh my
you?
god, it's Annie.
Really?
Oh my god, mental issue.
Where's Annie? Oh! I mean, she would probably have to get taken away.
This is-
That's how insane she is.
Lazy Annie, just getting picked up.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. I need the energy for you two.
Oh!
You know the grade 6er Jace, he brought a huge white monster to school.
Stuff's bad for you.
Dad, don't crash on us now.
It's a big boat. Big fucking boat. You guys want to share this?
I don't like that. You got the worst kind.
No, I fucking didn't. Marses aren't good.
No, arrows are good.
Marses are good. You're crazy if you don't think Marses are good.
I don't like Mars.
You like Mars?
Yeah.
You want to save that for later or whatever then?
Yes. Rob doesn't
There, you guys can share this too.
No, you're giving us smokes? No.
No, thank you. I'm good.
No, you guys will die smoking cigarettes.
I know
Did you
it.
see the Annie on the front?
Yeah. Show Francesca. Remember when you were like, we're gonna do something to Annie? I was like, we're gonna whoop Annie?
Whoop that trick.
I would love to
that
look
trick.
Everyone loved to whoop Annie.
Give her the what for?
Let everyone in the world whoop her.
Whoop that trick.
One whoop each, y'all.
What's back there?
I see what's back there, Dad.
What do you see? Dinosaurs. You're right, they're back there.
Oh, I never mind. See everything
Tools. These are my tools and my wire.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, my arm is so sore today, you guys. I'm not
I'm
gonna make it till retirement.
yeah. I might have to see the doctors soon.
Oh?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because every time I put my leg in one place, my leg starts hurting, like in a wrong position, or like if I move it too fast.
You'll be fine.
It starts moving when you move it in a position?
No, it like hurts when I move it.
Well, maybe you should exercise.
That leg is my best one.
Oh,
Rosie, I don't think you need to see the doctor for that. Unless it's actually like hurting like really horribly, like if like a car ran over it, I think you're fine.
I might want to see it as an x-ray though, to see what's wrong with it, or to see if I have like a bruise, like a really bad bruise on it.
really bad bruise. You need a doctor to find a bruise?
Like inside my bone,
Uh,
because I feel it on my bone when I move it around.
maybe a hairline fracture.
Someone said in my class, in my class,
Flash a flash?
in my class said I fractured my leg today. I'm like, you'd be crying if you did.
Not necessarily.
Pretty
No.
tough.
Fractures are a little bit different than breaking.
I know. They would feel crying still though. And they said they didn't even know what fractured meant. I'm like, what? Some of my classmates doesn't even know what suicide means.
Suicide?
Yeah.
Good. You should never know what suicide means. No one needs to know what suicide is. They should erase that from existence.
Yeah, let's just go to the doctors and erase it out of my head.
Yeah. Or you can just like go in the backyard and I can beat it out of your head.
Dad, where are we?
Doesn't matter.
Is this our house?
This is jail.
Oh, I see our house.
I only know because of the tree
It's a big old tree.
and the rocks.
And the ball.
Yeah. Why is there a ball even in the tree, bro?
I know.